Have you ever wondered what artificial intelligence, or AI, really is? Hi, I'm here to demystify AI and show you how it's transforming our world. At its core, AI is all about creating machines that can think and learn like humans. Think of it as teaching computers to process information, recognize patterns, and make decisions. Sounds cool, right? AI is everywhere, from the virtual assistants on your phone to the recommendations you get on Netflix. It's even in the self-driving cars and smart home devices we use every day. But there's more to AI than just convenience. In healthcare, AI helps doctors diagnose diseases faster and more accurately. Imagine a world where early detection of illnesses could save countless lives. That's the power of AI. In agriculture, AI-powered drones monitor crop health, ensuring we can produce food more efficiently. This means better yields and less waste. Plus, AI makes our cities smarter by improving traffic flow and reducing energy consumption. But like any powerful tool, AI comes with responsibilities. It's crucial to consider ethical implications and ensure AI is used for the greater good. Transparency and fairness in AI systems are key to building trust. As AI continues to evolve, it will bring even more revolutionary changes. From personalized education to advanced robotics, the possibilities are endless. So, next time you hear about AI, remember, it's not just science fiction. It's a transformative force shaping our present and future. Stay curious and embrace the AI revolution. That's all for today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.